Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are here at Aldi's and we're gonna go over the new finds. Up here at the top is the ice bucket for $16.99. They have it in gold and silver. Nice, love the color. Next to it is the beverage tub for $19.99. They have it also in the same two colors. Right here, Huntington Home luxury 2-wick candles for $4.99. Smell it. It smells good. Alrighty, down here the wooden wire rack, wooden wine rack, $24.99. They have them in this one and in these two. So they only have one wooden one, which is this one, and the other two are, you know, the other material. Okay, next to it is the hammered wine or champagne glasses for $9.99. Right here we have the cake stand for $14.99. We also have it in this one. Okay, right here is the barware set for $24.99 in that brass color. Okay, this grill here, I do not see the price for this grill. Oh yes, I do. I'm sorry. It's right here. It's $39.99. It's for the fondue kit and for the grill. Okay, here's the grill. It's really nice. Okay, and here is the fondue pot with the forks and serving trays for $39.99. Okay, right here, hard to tell, holiday pet sweaters, $4.99. Here we have Merry Moments reversible mantle signs for $4.99. So here are the different signs. That one, this one, right here. Okay, right here, the men's or ladies line jeans for $14.99. Okay, so the men have the real material in jeans, the real jean material, and the women's material is kind of like cotton. So yes, but they're really thick and nice for $14.99. Down below is Sarah's Ladies Ultra Plush leggings for $8.99. And they come in size small through extra large on those. Over here are the Merry Moments men's and women 2-pack socks for $2.99. These tablecloths with the napkin set here, they're $9.99. Green is really pretty. They have green, red, cream, and gray. Okay. Up here at the top, they have the men's and the ladies model tops for $12.99. I see them in red and gray, size medium through extra large. Okay, here's the ladies and the men. Okay, Crane men's base layered pant or crew for $7.99 right here. Size medium through extra large. Right here at Vintage men's or ladies winter gloves for $8.99. They have them in gray and in black. Pretty nice. Okay, here are the heavy duty work gloves here for $9.99 by Garderline. holiday earrings for $6.99 right here. Santa is cute. Oh, look at the reindeers. Really cute. Oh, look like the bows, holiday bows. Alright, let's see. Down here, we have Lily and Dan's children's ankle boots for $14.99. We have them in this color, or this pattern here. Cute pattern with the pink shoestrings, and here are the ones for the boys. And they're $14.99. Okay, the ladies' combat boots, they are $19.99. They have them in this one, and this one, and they also have it in this brown. Okay, and they also have the ankle boots for the ladies for $17.99. They're right here. Okay. Right here, the Lily and Dance Children Plush onesie or jacket for $9.99. There's the jacket. And here is the cute onesie. How cute. 12 months through medium, size 7 through 8. Okay, right here we have the ladies two-piece flannel pajama set for $14.99. Nice. This flannel feels really good. Alrighty, men's two-piece lounge pants here. Right here, size small through extra large. I do not see the price right here, but I'm sure the price is in the video that I did on the upcoming finds. So yeah. Okay, right here, the men's or ladies wool socks for $5.99. Men's shoe size 6 through 12, and the ladies shoe size 4 through 10. And here are the children's 3-pack socks here for $2.49. Cute, cute. Okay, right here is the Mattel Star Wars or Marvel plush for $9.49. Green, black, blue. They feel so soft. I hope you guys are enjoying this video. If you are, please give it a big thumbs up. Share the video and subscribe. Okay, right here we have the weighted blankets, 36 by 48 for $29.99. Right here. Okay, right here we have the men's and ladies utility boots for $16.99. For the men's right there, and these are for the ladies. Cute. Okay. Up here we have Merry Moments Ladies Advent Calendar Sock and Surprise Set for $18.99. Right here, let's see. This is Minnie Mouse Kids Socks, shoe size 4 through 7. I do not see a price, but yes, they have them here. Okay, the Super Mario set here is $16.99 for each one, you know, for either one. Heckler's 12 Days of Crafting is $12.99. Right here. Here are the Beanie Boss for $19.99. Oh my goodness, look at these eyes. How cute. How cute. Oh my goodness. Oh, I love these. What a wonderful gift. Oh my goodness, look at those eyes. $19.99, guys. Not bad at all. Okay. Here we have Rain. What is it? Rainbow corn, Dino Island, or puppy corn for $24.99 right here. don't think we went over this Hot Wheels set right here for $29.99. This Mattel Barbie. They are $7.99. Cute, cute. We have Ken. Okay. Right here is the Barbie fashion designer set for $19.99. Okay. This 26-piece Rescue Hero set is $26.99. These gifts are amazing, guys. Oh my goodness. All right. Pets Alive for $17.99. All right, next to it is the Merry Moments 10-pack holiday gift bags for $4.99. They're right here. And they also have the 10-pack gift box for $5.99. The gift tape is $3.49. Okay, right here is the real Christmas tree scent for $6.49. Have all these different scents here. Nice. The 50 peel and stick gift tags, $1.99. Can't beat it, guys. This 6-piece figurine set here, it is $14.99. Now they have this one. I'm assuming it's going to be $14.99 as well, guys. It is, yes. Okay, let's see. Up here we have Merry Moments Santa letter writing kit for $6.99. Right here on the end, we have the tissue paper for $2.99. The Real Littles Disney backpacks for $8.99. How cute. Oh my goodness. Pokemon V10 here is $17.89. Okay, we went over the Barbie fashion designer set for $19.99. Yes. Okay, so it's time to do our walk back. But before that, I see the wine beverage cooler over here that was in the ad, but it's not over here. So I'm glad I see this right here. And I think it was $1.49 in the paper in the ad, I think. But yes, they have it here. The wine and beverage cooler. Okay. So let's do a quick little walk back. And I'll tell you guys what I like. Okay, these gift bags, the gift tags, and the gift boxes. Great deal on these. Okay, the tags are $1.99, yes. The gift boxes, $5.99, and the gift bags, they're $4.99. Love those. Okay. The Pet Alive for $17.99. Love that. Oh my, the Beanie Boss. Love those for $19.99. Oh yes, they are so cute. Okay. The rain boots here, or utility boots for $16.99 for the men and the women. Love those. Flannel pajama set, the 2-piece for $14.99. Love that. Their boots are always so nice and so reasonable. The ankle boots are $17.99, and the combat boots, they're $19.99. Love those. Those leggings down at the bottom, the ultra plush leggings for $8.99, size small through extra large. Love, love, love those. You know I love the pet sweaters for $4.99. Yes, yes, and yes on that one right there. Okay. The fondue tray and set for $39.99. Love this here. Nice. And at the top, the ice bucket for $16.99 and the beverage tub for $19.99. Love both of those. Oh, and the cake stand, yes, right here. You have an option of this one or this one. I love this one. Okay. Alrighty, guys. Well, I think that's it for today. Thank you guys so much for stopping by, and thank you all for all the new subscribers. Thank you so very much. You all are really coming through for me, and I really do appreciate it. I'm trying to get to 10,000 by the end of the year, and it's looking pretty good. So if you have not subscribed, please do so. Help me out so I can get to that goal of 10K, and I really would appreciate that. I'm gonna open these boots up right here, guys, just a few to let you see them, see what they look like in person, since the traffic is not as heavy behind me right now. I'm gonna open up a couple of them. So here are the ladies' boots right here. Lovely, lovely. Okay, let's look at the combat boots, and I'll just put them back once I'm done recording. Nice. It has the little fur on the outside here. Yes. And let's see, the utility boots. Oops. Well, okay, here it goes. Nice. Really nice. Okay, so I'm glad I had a chance to open these up so that we could get a little view. Oh, here's another one. This ankle boot right here. Let's look at it in gray. Ooh, cute. Oh, yeah. Love, love, love. Okay, guys. Well, I think that's it for today here at Aldi's. Again, if you like the video, please like, share, and subscribe. And I will see you all on the next one.